Hi there, full of the interweb. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ukachi, and today's video is an outdoor wash day video for my sister's locks, Uloma's locks. Okay, so Uloma has had her locks in since January 31st. Do the mathematics when you're watching this video, okay? And this was our first time washing it or even looking at it like this since she locked, guys. And Uloma's hair grew so fast. This is like 6 weeks of growth, and look at the whole matting that has really occurred, all the new growth, okay? So please consider subscribing to my channel if you love my kind of content, natural hair, beauty and lifestyle. And even to my channel, welcome back home. So guys, I'm washing her hair outdoors under a tap because why not, okay? So yeah, guys, for product, we're going to do with this Schwarzkopf keratin shampoo. It's actually like a very clarifying shampoo from the ingredients, and we need that because her hair has not been washed in almost like 7 weeks. Okay, I'm also going to be going with my Dears by Kachi Revitalizing Tea because Uloma actually uses one of my products in her hair, like for maintenance, to be very honest. So yeah, I'm going to make the tea on camera. Why not? Okay. So what are we adding? We're adding 2 tea bags. And then hot water. You can see the tea bags. This one contains henna, rosemary, black tea and green tea for extra strengthening. Yeah, and I'm applying this, or adding 2 tea bags rather. We're adding 2 tea bags, and then the hot water. I'm making our tea in a bowl because we want to make a lot for like various uses. Okay, you will see this tea more in other videos, so if you just see us doing the same thing, don't be surprised. Okay, it's the same tea. Just 2 cups of hot water, 1 cup per tea bag. From the label, you already know that this tea is the bomb. Okay, I'm just mixing everything together with the spoon, and yeah, I'll show you guys how we're going to use it towards the end of the video. Let's get back to washing. Okay, let's move. So I'm going to wash under a tap, guys. We're washing under this tap. This tap's pressure is second to none. The pressure is so much you could never even turn it on fully. Okay, we're just getting our hair wet first. Please never apply shampoo to dry hair. Get the hair wet first, please. I beg you, please get the hair wet. So I'm just trying to like drench and drown her hair in water. Yeah, guys, my Igbo accent is coming out. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and apply the shampoo. This shampoo actually lathers a lot, but Uloma's hair was really dirty, so it did not lather as much at first. Personally, I was just focusing more on like her locks rather than her scalp first, because she had traveled a lot and there was a lot of dust. The lather was actually not white, it was brown from the whole dust in the environment traveling back and forth. So I just had to like focus more on the locks, just to try to get rid of every dust and dirt and germs on the locks first. We're going to shampoo twice. Second shampoo would be for the scalp, but this is more for the locks, just to get all the gunk of her locks. I'm like, wow, the ladder is actually, I've never seen brown ladder. Even when my hair was in for like 3 months, my ladder was not brown. But locks actually accumulate a lot of dirt. This is a learning process for me and Loma actually. So if you have any lock tips in the just tell me in the comment section. Okay, I'm also going ahead to add a little more shampoo and more shampoo. This shampoo is actually like clarifying like mad, but I don't know why I was not lathering here. Well, obviously from the dirt, obviously. Yeah, so I'm just trying to get it more on her locks, just working it in. Leather looks white on camera because of the distance and the whole sunlight. This leather is not white, guys. Don't let the camera fool you, okay? So I'm adding a little more water so that I can get to lather a lot more. Just trying to get to lather a lot more by adding a little more water. And yeah, I'll come back when it's time for the second one. now we're indoors, and it's just time for us to just do like a regular moisturizing routine. No, we don't condition her locks. We don't do apple cider vinegar because we don't have apple cider vinegar. We just shampoo and go. Loma loves that. The idea of no pre-poo, no detangle, nothing, just exists. She loves that idea. Okay, that's actually one of the reasons why she actually locked her hair, for the ease and how it fits into her lifestyle. First, I'm just going to go ahead with that tea that we made in the beginning. Yeah, that tea. You can start a leave-in product. Okay, I'm just spraying it all over her locks, on her scalp and on her hair, just for like extra strengthening on her scalp. You guys get it. Guys learned it, so please check out Uloma's Locked playlist, link at the top right corner. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, TikTok and YouTube at Natural Kachi. Join the gang and follow Uloma at Uloma_Umbi, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
See how she stand for corner. If you know man, I go like you to call her. She say she like up man, look at the color. If I forget the name, I go use true color. See how she stand for corner. If you know man, I go like you to call her. She say she like up man.